In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Wix. A drop-down menu is perfect for organizing related pages under one clean, clickable heading. Let's build one together inside the Wix website editor. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, click the highlighted area of your site's menu to bring up the relevant controls. On the left side of the editor, open Pages and Menu. This is where all your site pages and navigation items live. In the lower portion of that panel, look for Site Menu and select it to focus on your main navigation. Then click Site Menu again to open its options. Now choose Add Menu Item. From the list of item types, pick Dropdown. This creates a new empty dropdown container in your menu. Give your dropdown a clear, descriptive name so visitors instantly understand what's inside. Think of something like Services, Resources, or Shop. Short and intuitive works best. After typing the name, click Done to add it to your menu. Back in the menu list, click your new dropdown to select it. Now drag any existing pages you want grouped into the dropdown and drop them beneath it until you see them indent. That indentation means they're nested inside the dropdown. Continue dragging any additional items you want included. You can also reorder them by dragging up or down so the most important links appear first. In the editor, you'll see how the menu now displays with a drop-down indicator. This is how it will look to your visitors. When the structure looks right, click Publish to save your changes to the live site. If any pop-ups or highlights appear, simply click through them to continue. Next, click Preview to test the menu in a safe interactive view. Open the drop-down and click each item to ensure it goes to the correct page or anchored section on a page. This is a great time to confirm that anchors and links are set up properly and that the order feels logical. If something isn't landing where you expect, return to the editor, adjust the link target or order, and preview again until everything feels smooth. Once you're satisfied with how the drop-down opens and every link behaves as intended, click Publish again to push your tested version live. That's it. You've created a clean, easy-to-navigate drop-down menu in Wix, grouped your related pages, tested the links, and published the result. Clear labels, a logical order, and a manageable number of items will keep your visitors oriented and help them find what they need.